Is it nature or nurture? Scientists have been looking for a gay gene since World War II. Adolf Hitler wanted to find a specific reason why people might be gay so Nazi Germany could get rid of the gay gene before people were even born. Even after World War II, scientists have still tried to find the gay gene to explain that being gay is how some people are born. Scientists have wanted to prove that being gay is not a thing you can change later, but is this really true? Are your genes the only thing that can determine if you will be gay or not? Sexuality can be considered a polygenic trait. Polygenic traits are controlled by two or more genes, usually by many different genes. These genes are described as polygenic. Examples in humans are height, skin color, and weight. Polygenic genes allow a wide range of physical traits. For instance, height can be regulated by several genes so that there will be a wide range of heights in the population. There have been some controversial studies regarding gene numbers, locations, and chromosomes, and how it pertains to sexuality. Not a lot is known about how sexuality manifests in people, although lots of studies suggest that it is equal parts nature and nurture. There are lots of studies, like the controversial tests done in the 20th century, as well as later studies done on twins and families. Earlier studies showed almost nothing about biological sexuality, but newer studies found links between epimarks and sexuality and also hypotheses about nurture and environmental aspects of developing sexuality. The Academy and several scientific studies have all provided emerging findings, including family and twin studies that have shown that homosexuality has both a heritable and environmental component. Slate. In a study done by Boston University, they found that if one identical twin is gay, the other twin is 52% likely to be gay as well. If the same is true for fraternal twins, it is 22% likely, and for non-related adopted brothers, it is about 5% likely. This disproves the hypothesis that being gay is a gene-decided trait, because then the identical twins would both be gay 100% of the time. But with 52%, this implies that there's a fairly large amount of environmental influence on people being gay, which accounts for the reproduction and survival of a species. It is demonstrated that the female relatives of homosexual men have more children on average than women who do not have homosexual relatives. Slate. Sexual desire is due to a range of different factors, a person's upbringing and education, as well as social constructs. Our sexuality is due to a range of different factors we do not fully understand. The Guardian. Based on different findings, the scientific and social aspects have come to a conclusion. Sexuality is not binary. It is not a genetic trait that determines who you are attracted to or how you act. It comes from your experiences and environment. Although biology does have a hand in your sexuality, the concept of the gay gene does not exist. Sexuality is on a continuum and is decided by many factors, some biological and others environmental.